Hi everyone, today we're making a refreshing smoothie. The original smoothie actually, we're making strawberry lassi. It's really refreshing and will pick you up instantly. So let's see how to make it. It's very simple. 5 to 8 medium-sized strawberries. You can leave a few for garnish as well. We also need 3/4 of a cup of yogurt, half a cup of cold milk, two tablespoons to 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, and half a cup of ice cubes. So we're just going to blend this until it's absolutely smooth. And there you go. Absolutely refreshing and wonderfully tasty strawberry lassi. And you want to make sure you don't add too many strawberries. Just add as much as I added to keep that lovely light pink color. It's gorgeous. So you can garnish this with some sliced strawberry and mint. Perfect. And for your kiddos out there, I have something extra. You can make the strawberry lassi just as before, but add 2 tablespoons of chocolate milk powder. Your favorite brand? I'm using Nestle Milo. It's pretty popular in Singapore. And just blend that through. Not too much. Again, you want to keep that lovely color. Doesn't that look like a lovely chocolate milkshake? And for the kids. Yum! So I hope you try the recipe. This makes 2 servings. You can make it either way. It's really refreshing and I hope you'll love it. Let me know if you make it. Thanks for watching. Bye!